Okay, I had to build this one, and it's not even about the camera. This little ball had a whole miniature Polaroid camera inside, the kind my dad used to have. My dad was born in the 40s and he loved cameras, and he collected them. Polaroids like this one were everywhere back in the 70s. So when I saw this, there was no choice. It was coming home with me. It's a tiny build. Watch the body come together first. The lens piece is unreal for how small it is. And that's it. Tiny but perfect. My dad would have loved this one. What should I build next? Tell me down below.